All right, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm waiting for my minion to get here. We're going to work on this part of the garage. Actually, I'm going to work on most of it. She's going to take pictures, but we're going to put this shelf together. And the goal is to get this stuff figured out so that it looks like this stuff. And let me just tell you, she rocked it yesterday. She took pictures of, I think, close to 140 items yesterday. So we're only working today until about 1 o'clock. I've got a guest checking in. Check-in's at 3. So we need time to put everything away that we get out, then mop the floors, wipe down the counters, and all that other good stuff. So this kind of goes back here, but the goal is to, this is sort of a shelf. This is listed, but it's kind of stuff that doesn't really work in a box. So my goal is to get this stuff out of boxes here and figure out what to do with those, get those listed and in what we call inventory boxes. And then I'm not gonna get this all done today, but I'm taking this video to see how much we do get done. And like I said, I don't think I'm gonna get it all done today, but this is my 8 a.m. before picture, and it's already close to 100 degrees in the shade. All right, peeps, waiting for the minion, and then I'm gonna start pulling stuff out. Wish us luck. Okay, here is a mid, it's 10 minutes to 10, mid project. We've got some boxes over here that can be photographed, but we don't have time to do that today, so I'm trying to organize this for next time. This shelf has all been resized to fit these boxes. We have to resize this shelf and resize this shelf, meaning you have to take everything off, move the brackets, and move the shelf down so they see how that one's a narrower. So then I'm going to take these 4 shelves and put them in here. Straightened up these, put a little more space between here so I had room, and it's not quite even. And then so these will come out, and then the 4 shelves that are in the driveway will go here. These are shorter shelves, and these 2 shelves are shorter shelves, so I'll make that row there shorter shelves and try to figure out what to do with these boxes. The sad reality is I need more of these boxes, and I just looked online and they're ridiculously expensive. I initially got a bunch of these from eBay. They're 18 by 18 by 14 by 12, and then they discontinued them, which was kind of annoying. So then I got these from Staples at $1 a piece, and I was able to buy those for a while. And then Staples, I just looked at a package of 20 is like $90. Like, that's ridiculous, and you can't get them in the store. So I've been looking online for them. There's a local place that I just put in a request for a quote. I don't need that many. I'll buy somewhere between 20 and 50 of them. So here it is, 10 o'clock, it's heating up. It's definitely over 100 degrees in the shade, but feeling good. This is my project, so I'm gonna get it going. I gotta figure out what to do with these. None of it is stuff that I really want. So we'll see what happens. Until next time, or actually until maybe another 2 hours. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, it's about 11:30. You can see huge mess. But I feel good. Got some empty boxes here. I emptied some cardboard boxes, some inventory boxes, so I took them in the house so the minion can put photograph stuff in there. This shelf is gonna all have boxes on it when she's done. But here's another view of the aisles, the boxes that have, where's my finger? Let's see. With these are the box numbers. So these are all boxes that have been listed, and then they come down this row and you can see that those are listed, but this shelf is not listed yet. So I widened this space here, this aisleway, and now I'm over here and I'm going to put another row. I guess the shelf backs up to this, so I'll push it back here, and then there'll be an aisle between this shelf, which is just going to be random stuff, and then the shelves that I put in here. Hopefully we'll get them all stacked. Got to order some more boxes. I think I already said that, but I've got rid of some of these boxes. That was my goal. That one's empty. This I think has my personal Christmas decorations in it for here, but making progress. I forgot to show, it's 11:30 and it's 110 in the shade. So to say that I'm sweating would be an understatement. Moving stuff back, it's 12 o'clock. I am done. This is just gonna be these are smaller shelves. So usually I can only get 2 boxes across, but I can get some of those kind of boxes on these shelves. So here we go. Putting stuff back in here, even though it's not really finished, and we're not going to get these shelves resized, but we have guests coming tomorrow for 3 weeks, so I'll worry about it then. It's too hot. I'm going home and crashing. I'm positive you can't tell how hot and sweaty I am, but holy moly, it's just dripping off of me. And this is how you get a workout in Arizona when it's 110 degrees in the shade. But I'm getting it done. It is almost 1 o'clock. We just moved all the unlisted boxes from here. This shelf we still have to deal with, but to make room for all the boxes that Nicole photographed. But check this out, in the shade. I am crazy. Anyway, so we got that. This is the old aisle, and then we created this aisle today. And so none of this stuff is listed, but we're getting it organized little by little. So this is the before for this aisle. Okay, I'll check back in a few. Gotta go put the lip boxes in. I decided to show you what it looks like when Nicole's taking pictures for 2 days. So she's got these boxes here. This is boxes here that she's photographing. And then you can see we just put random stuff together. No, random stuff not together. And then when she's done and the boxes are full, they go on the kitchen counter. But we've got boxes. She cleaned up a lot of this stuff already, but look. Risers for your 5'10" minion. And now we are going to clean this for the Airbnb guest that's going to be here in 2 hours. Say hi, Nicole.
Hi.
And so she's the one that does all the work. I just get all the money. Okay. So we'll do a garage picture, and then we'll do the Airbnb picture when it's all cleaned. We're exhausted. 1:15 p.m. Feeling pretty good. So we got that. Got this. Got that aisle. This aisle taken care of. We have numbered boxes all the way up to 200. These are not numbered, but you can see we got some room here. I need to actually buy some more boxes. And then an aisle and an aisle. We're getting there. These are all gonna be gone. All these plastic tote bins that one time I thought were a great way to store inventory. Now I hate them. Okay, peace out, people. 1:15. Gotta go in and clean the Airbnb. This is when you go, why is my cleaner allowed to go on vacation? Rude. A feeling accomplished in 120 degrees in the shade, and I feel every bit of it. But it looks good. Loving my eBay branded boxes all on the ends. Got to get that cleaned up next time around. 2 o'clock straight up. Check it out. We are all cleaned. Floor mopped, counters wiped down. Everything cleaned and organized for the next Airbnb guest that will be arriving in an hour or more. There's the minion. We worked today. We're tired. Everything's all nice and clean. Ready for check-in.